This short video will demonstrate how to install the batteries and the soap refill into the S4 Tork Foam Soap Dispenser. The first thing you'll need to do is remove the cassette from the dispenser and insert your 4C batteries into the cassette, ensuring they're installed properly. Before inserting your soap refill, you'll need to twist the nozzle to open. Make sure you click the cassette back into the dispenser, ensuring that it snaps firmly into place. You can then insert your foam soap refill, close your dispenser lid, and you're good to go. Simply place your hand under the dispenser to dispense the foam soap.